Check this out.
Hey guys, Chris 19 A.F.E here. So I want to start a small series here, a small journey or documentary, if you will, about interest investing with Emma Finance and interest investing here with Robinhood. And so what I plan on doing is the months go on, I want to document how much interest I'm being paid on Emma Finance, how much interest I'm being paid on Robinhood, and how that you can get start with these interest rates. When I first started in my finance here, now this is the first month that I'm actually going to start documentary. But when I first started in my finance, before I wised up to this, I was using this for a backup card, so I was only doing $10 every week. And I'm just not paying interest, so but I would get paid interest off the $10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, off of $50 at 1% on M1 Finance was 9 cents. And then you can see it goes on again here, 10, 10, 10, 10. But you notice how it's not 9 cents, it's 12 cents now. And the reason why it went up to 12 cents is because it's a snowball effect. Because it is paying you off of the 9 cents that it paid you interest on before, and also the $10 that I had in it before, or in this case, a multiple of tens I had in it before. And so I want to document this snowball effect and see how big we can get it within a year, and if we can actually make a sustainable income off of just interest. And I want to do something where we do interest versus investing. So I want to see if we can make more money off of interest here rather than investing, and that way it can help you guys out determine, hey, what's the best route for me. Now I'm just starting out with the stocks, and I'm starting out with interest also, so you can see everything is starting out really small here. As you can see, I haven't started this yet. This will start next month. It'll be my first month doing this, and as you see, I'm just not getting started with this as I put $100 in here. I'm going to start doing $100 every week and see how much interest get out for that. At the end of the month, 1% on my finance, and I'll be doing interest on Robinhood also, as you can see here. These are the times Robinhood paid me interest. But I was gonna say Robinhood, I didn't really have any money. I had like $5, $100, and then I'm gonna start actually paying attention to this and see, because the interest on my finance, interest on Robinhood, they pay out every single month, which will be more than your bank account. The only difference is M1 Finance is 1%, Robinhood is 0.30%. And the reason why is because M1 Finance, you have to pay a premium for. Let's see if we can get to it. M1 Finance, you have to pay. You have to get the membership, and I believe that membership is 125. And so if it's 125 a year, generally you want to have $1,250 in M1 Finance. So they'll pay out at 12. That'll pay out about $12 a month in the year, will equal to like 120, 125, and so you can recoup that payment. And so, uh, goes on the mouth. I'll be doing the mouth in the future months here as we go along. But I just want you guys to see me start this journey from start to finish. So if I do get to $1 million doing this, I want you guys to know that I did start with nothing here, and that we turned nothing into something. And also the reason why I'm doing this documentary at the same time with me starting with nothing is so that you guys may be starting with more than I'm starting with, and you guys can see, hey, I can do this, and I have more than what Chris has starting off with. And so that's why I'm starting this off really small here. You can see on my finance how much, not in my finance, Robinhood, how much I have in Robinhood right here. I start off with $125. And so we want to get this buying power to just say it. So the way Robinhood works, whatever money you have sitting in your buying power. And so whatever money that you have sitting in your buying power, you can earn interest off that 0.30%, I believe. Yeah, 0.30%, I believe. And on M1 Finance, same thing. Whatever money that you have sitting here in your checking, you get 1% off of it. Now for Robinhood, you have to get the Robinhood. You have to activate the Robinhood card. You can do a virtual card, or you can do a physical card. But just as long as you activate, your Robinhood card. So as long as you get your Robinhood card activated, then that's when you'll be able to unlock the potential to earn interest. And to see, this is your cash earning interest here, but you have to activate your Robinhood card. Now, M1 Finance, you have to enroll in a membership. Robinhood is completely free. So if you guys want to pay $125 a month, you guys can go to Robinhood Way, which is completely free, which is totally okay. If you guys are a little bit greedy with it and you guys want to earn big bucks for your money, how your money clock can work for you, and one finance. 1% in one finance and 0.30 on Robinhood. And it's a big difference as the snowball effect picks up. And I don't want to make this video too long because we don't have much to show and we don't have that much to go over. So it just pretty much, this is going to serve as an introduction, and that's why I'm doing this. So in summarize, the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to show you guys how I start from $0 and work my way up with a snowball effect of earning interest, and see if that interest can earn more than stock investing over time. And also so you guys can be encouraged to, you can start saving and make passive income, even if it's with stocks, dividend investing, or with this investing. And so that's why I'm making this video, to try to help educate and motivate you guys to start saving money and be able to live a comfortable life. And we all start off with nothing, and like I said, you guys may start off with something, but the reason I'm starting off with nothing so I can engage more people, and where you guys in the future, maybe 2 years on the road, you can skip back to this video, look at it, and skip back to current video. Oh, this guy got this much money. What did he start off at? So I want to show you guys my humble beginnings and let you guys know I'm just like you guys, maybe less off than you guys, and how I can grow. And I want you guys to be a part of this journey with me as we grow and go through this. Now, the interest investing here will be a monthly video that I'm going to do every month, and I can't wait until the end of next month here. Right now we're ending off 2021 here, and I can't wait till the end of next month. So we start New Year off with some New Year's resolution of saving money, a New Year's resolution of growth. And I can't wait to start this journey with you guys and to have this grow with you all. I definitely look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. I do hope that you guys subscribe and leave a comment, questions, anything below, so I can make these videos better for you guys. And yeah, that's all I have for right now. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.
Remember, you have friends in the new monarchy.